Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a video on Snapchat web. Let's get started. First, visit snapchat.com, then log in to your account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, go to Account Settings. In the dashboard, click on Post to Snapchat, usually at the top or right side. If you cannot record a video directly from the web, especially if your PC has no webcam, instead, you can record a video using another app. Then, either drag and drop the file into Snapchat web, or click Choose Media to browse and upload your file. After uploading, choose where you want to post, to your story, public profile, or schedule for later. Click Post to Snapchat. Snapchat Web supports uploading images and videos but not live recording. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.